Want to know one key thing that helped me take 20 listings in 30 days? Stay tuned. You've got to give people something that they can't just Google, okay? You want to provide them customized communication, something that they can't just go search for online. One thing that we started doing was these predictive market analysis reports. So for sellers, we realize they can go to Zillow, or if they're in Toronto, they can go to Zillow and they can get their value of their property, right? So if I give you something different, like I'm going to give you your value now, and then I'm going to create a report that's a predictive analytic report that just kind of shows you based on historical data, based on the trends, based on the seasonality of the market, right? This is what we think your house will be worth in the next 6 months or so. That's what we started providing to people. It is our opinion, but it kind of gives them an idea, you know? And it's something, it's customized. It's not what everybody else is marketing, right? So I would have that customized communication. I would also, as part of your custom communication, I would incorporate video. Video is where it's at. Video is going to get you way more opportunity than just pictures, or, you know, a picture of your business card, or just text that you type out there. You know, content. Content's great because you can give, you know, information, but when it comes to who you are, people want to do business with people they like, know, and trust, right? They can kind of get an idea. They can start liking you through your videos. They can kind of get an idea of who you are, so that people may feel like they know you when they've watched so many of your videos, right? So start depositing value and utilizing video in your customized communication. Just an example, we are moving away from the, like, you have to be in a studio, you have to look a certain way, you have to have the script. That's not where it's at anymore. Like, people are more drawn to reality. Like, you're seeing reels, right? You're seeing more short form video that's coming out. That's what's popular. So you have a short window of time to deposit value. So what we're recommending right now is, if you're putting value out there to sellers, like, and you're teaching them, for example, how to get ready to list their home, you might want to break it up into several segments, because it's short form video that's popular right now. You know, TikTok is very popular, and TikTok is easy to get exposure on. Like, you're going to get way more views than you would like on YouTube, because YouTube's already established, right? So they have certain things that they're looking for before they're pushing your content out. YouTube is still getting established, so they're pushing people's stuff out left and right. So just utilize video. Don't feel like it has to be studio form, because that's not what's popular now. You don't have to be necessarily scripted. However, you need to give value, and it needs to be short, like less than 12 seconds, 12, really 8 seconds, but 15 seconds or less, right? So Instagram, TikTok, those are the places. So just to give you an example, like, these videos weren't perfect here. You know, my mouth was open on one. The angle was horrible on the first one. You know, my face is all up in the screen. It looks fuzzy. The lighting wasn't perfect, but I got the response I wanted because I did the video. That's the most important thing, right? I did deposit value. This particular lady here, she put a post on Facebook and said she needed somebody to list her house, and hundreds of realtors responded to her. I responded with a video, and I introduced myself that way. I let her know why she should choose me. She responded, and her response, look at Tierney, this was in 2017 too. Thanks for responding to my Facebook post. As you can imagine, I've received a lot of messages. I did enjoy your video. It stood out from the rest. And then she asked me a question. I answered her question with another video. I also sent her short past client testimonial videos. So I recommend that you guys do those as well. That's going to help you get more listings. by letting and having more success online, because people don't know you. So if you have these past client testimonials, make sure they're really short. So you can just send them through Messenger, or you could send them through a text message or something. You can post them on your social media so people can hear what it's like to work with you, right? So I ended up getting in front of this client because of the video, and I ended up taking the listing. And it was really, the video is what got me the opportunity. If this video brought you some value, like it. If you want to hear more, make sure you subscribe so you can get updated when we are providing more value. We are delivering content weekly on how to either double your business or keep your business consistent and not lose out even as the real estate market shifts. If you want to know our exact step-by-step process and learn a little bit more about our systems, fill out the form below.